1, 2, 3, funky.
Hello everyone, I'm Wulan. Welcome to my first video on YouTube. As you can see on the title, today I'm going to show you how to make aromatherapy candle. I inspired to make aromatherapy candle because about 2 weeks ago I bought aromatherapy candle for my birthday, and after that I'm falling in love with aromatherapy candle. How to make aromatherapy candles is so easy, so you can practice it at home. If you want to know how to make it, just keep on watching. These are the materials and the tools that we need to make aromatherapy candle. There are candles, crayons, wick, essential oil, sticks, cutter, glass, scissor, double-sided tape, aluminum bowl, and some flowers. The first thing that you need to do is cut your candles into small pieces with a cutter. By the way, people who want to make candle usually use beeswax, gel wax, or paraffin, but in my city it's so difficult to find it. I almost entered dozens of stores to find them, but still I cannot find them. If you know where I can find beeswax, gel wax, or paraffin, comment down below, okay? But don't worry, we can use an usual candle like this, like I do today. Why we should cut our candle into small pieces? Because it can make our candle melt faster. After you cut your candle into small pieces like this, set aside first and prepare your container. Today I want to decorate my glasses with some flower here. You need to cut the flower. This is double-sided tape, and then we cut it. Oops. Put this double-sided tape in the flower. This is, then we put it like this, and ta-da! Do this step as you want, and if you want to a lot of flower, you can put a lot of flower.
2 hours later.
Finally guys, I finished to decorate my glass. So beautiful, right? After decorate the glass, prepare for the wick. This is the wick. Make sure the wick is longer than your container, and tie the wick to the stick like this. It can make the wick can be erect, and then put the wick in the middle of glass. Here, your container is ready. Prepare your candle, and we're going to melt the candles with double boiled method. Pour water in your pan and put your aluminum foil with the candles on the top of the water. Turn the stove to a low to medium heat. After the candles is half melted, put the crayon into the candles like this. Oopsie. After the candles are completely melted, we put essential oil in the melted candle. Put it about 2 teaspoons of essential oil. I use chamomile essential oil because I love chamomile. Stir it. After that, prepare the container that we prepared before. Pour slowly. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wait until the melted candles are freeze. Hi guys, finally the candles is hard now, but before we use it, we should to cut the wick. Leave about 2 centimeters here. Ooh. I forget to tell you about the color. The color is optional, guys. If you want to use it, it's okay. If you don't want to, it's okay too. But I suggest you to use color depend on the essential oil that you use. For example, you will use purple or lilac for lavender, or red for rose, and I use yellow for chamomile essential oil. Unfortunately guys, the flowers that I put in the glass to decorate my glass is come off, so I decided to put more flowers on the top of the candle like this. It's make it look beautiful. So here the candle is ready. An aromatherapy candle can help you relax, feel calm, energize, and help your brain get into a more productive mindset.